Whether you call it personal branding or reputation building or discovering your voice, it's clear that the concept of personal branding is growing rapidly as an interest to people all over the world. These days, people want to actively build their personal brands rather than have them dictated by their circumstances or their job titles or their backgrounds. To do this, they want to find the right digital platforms, and they often look toward the popular people who tend to be on every platform available. But what's right for some individuals isn't necessarily right for you. Unless you have a Gary Vaynerchuk team of filmographers and editors and producers, building your digital presence should be limited to only a few key platforms. And one of those should definitely be LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a staple, but you cannot just build a profile and ignore the community. You need to read LinkedIn articles, make comments on those articles, share solid content with your connections, write personal notes of appreciation and congratulations, and even publish some of your own content there. Just be careful to avoid the trap of procrastination caused by perfectionism. In the words of Seth Godin, you need to ship it even when it's not perfect. But most of all, to build your brand on LinkedIn, you need to be active so that people will see you and get to know who you are, and not just view your profile information. Otherwise, it's like creating the perfect resume and leaving it on your flash drive for no one to see. Do people even use these anymore? I'm Anthony Miyazaki, and this has been the Marketing Minute. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of the future Marketing Minute videos.